Hello internet world, welcome to my Navitel dashcam special. These were very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely sharing with you my experience of using these so you can make an informed buying decision. Now I've got three products to show you in this video. Two kits which include a front and rear dash camera, a front dash camera and also an add-on accessory. I think we're going to start with this one, the HD rear camera. Let's take a closer look. This is from Navitel, it's their HD rear camera. Now if you buy one of Navitel's dash cameras and it doesn't come with a rear camera, then they do sell these add-on accessories, and this one happens to be an HD rear camera for their RE5 dual, RC2 dual, R250 dual, DR250 dual and AR280 dual. So you can add on a rear camera if yours doesn't have one already. It comes supplied with an instruction manual. It also comes supplied with a really long cable. This is going to go from the front camera into the rear camera. It's got the connections here for you. Really nice long cable. You can obviously get this professionally installed, or you can have a go of installing yourself, and this is long enough to run underneath the seats, but my preference would be to run it through the headlining for a much neater install. And then you get the little camera itself. This is where the power and signal goes in, and we got a little adhesive strip, and then this also rotates so you can adjust the angle of the camera. It's really neatly made, a very compact unit, really discreet, and it captures really good HD video. If you want to add on a rear camera to your existing Navitel dashcam, then this is well worth checking out. This is the Navitel R480 2K night vision dual dash camera. Why would you want a dash camera? Well, you can record what's going on out the front and the rear of your vehicle. So if you're witness to or involved in a road traffic accident, you've got some video evidence that could be used. Also, some car insurance companies actually give a discount if you install a dash cam, so it's well worth checking that out with your car insurance company. So inside the box we get some paperwork. Now this little pack includes these clear films. Now these you use to stick to your windscreen first, and then you can adhere these in various places. So very nice, they include two in the box. We also get a Navitel Navigator license key for their app, so you get that included as well. We also get an instruction manual and some extra warranty information as well. We also get a couple of cables. So this one is for your main power. So you're going to plug this into your 12-volt vehicle accessory socket, and then this end here, USB-C, is going to go into the dash camera. We also get this cable here, so very, very long cable with a couple of connectors. It's also got a sticky pad on it as well. And this takes the signal and power from the front dash camera to the rear dash camera. I would install this behind the headlining for a nice neat install, or get it professionally installed perhaps. And then you get the two cameras included inside the box. Now when you get this fresh out of the box, I've left this in place just to demonstrate to you, you should find on both, I've obviously removed this for testing, but you should find on both that you get these little sticky covers, and this is purely to protect the lens during shipping. So do bear that in mind. Buying brand new, both of the lenses should be covered. This is the rear camera. It's got a little sticky pad. Stick it in your rear windscreen. There's some rotation on it as well, so you can rotate to get it into a good position. And then we've got the cable that goes through to the front dash cam. Very, very good HD quality. Really impressed with this. And then we get the main dash cam itself, and we'll take a closer look at this in a short while, but this has got a sticky pad on it. You can angle it like so. So this is going to be sort of at this angle pointing out the front windscreen. We've got the main lens, of course. We've got connection on the side for the power, which is USB type C. We've also got the micro SD card slot for memory. We've got controls on this side and a nice large screen on this device as well. Really beautifully designed. We'll take a closer look at this in action very shortly. Let's take a quick look at the box. As you can see here, 2K, night vision, and on the side here, the main specifications. So we've got 2K 1440p resolution, we've got that 2-inch display, USB Type-C, magnetic holder, full HD rear cam, Starvis sensor, we've got 160-degree field of view, 256GB memory card support. We've also got a G sensor and a parking mode as well. So this really is a fully featured dash cam. So here you can see we've got the dash camera turned on. It's currently recording. And what dash cameras do is they record on this sort of loop. So it will record until the memory card is full, and then it will start overwriting the oldest non-protected files first. So it's a really good way of doing things. It's sort of a set it and forget it sort of scenario. And we can go into the menu system, of course. So if we push OK and then go into the menu, here we've got control over the resolution, the microphone, parking mode and G sensor. We can also go into a further menu system, and this allows us to control the volume, the SD card, we can format the memory card, and then we can go into the main settings. It really is superbly easy to navigate. What's important though is the video quality, and the video quality on this, both daytime and nighttime footage, is really very clear indeed. They've got a good sensor in here and it just works beautifully. If you're in the market for a dual dash cam for the rear and the front of your vehicle, then this, the R480 from Navitel, is well worth checking out. This is the Navitel R500 GPS Full HD Night Vision Dash Camera. It comes with a 12-month license to Navitel Navigator on your smartphone as well. Really good value proposition this. And inside the box we get some paperwork. So we get a user manual. We also get that license key for the Navitel Navigator app. We get some warranty information as well. We also get an extra sticky pad for adhering the magnetic mount, and we get a micro SD card memory card reader, which is really nice to see. We get a power cable. This is going to go into your 12-volt vehicle accessory socket. The other end is mini USB and goes into the dash camera. We get a little polishing cloth to keep it nice and clean. We get the magnetic mount. So this is really cool. This sticks to your windscreen. Got an adhesive mount here, magnetic mount just here and contacts. So this is going to pull the dash camera onto the mount and also connect it. In fact, if I get this the right way round, there we go. So very easily removable. So if you've got a scenario where you want to remove your dash camera, you simply unplug the power cable and then disconnect this magnetic mount. It's as simple as that. I really do like the way they've done this. And then let's take a close look at the dash cam itself. So we've obviously got the lens on the front, little tiny speaker. Across the top here, we've got an AV input to connect an optional rear camera. We've got that magnetic mount. We've got the mini USB here as well. On the side, a reset button, and we've also got the input here for the micro SD card. You don't get a micro SD memory card included, but they're nice and cheap and accessible as well. And then on the back we've got a nice large screen, menu button, some navigation buttons and a power button here as well. We'll take a look at this turned on in a short while. Before we do so, quick look at the box. On the side it's got the main features. So we've got 1080 Full HD, a 2.35 inch display, that magnetic holder, super capacitor, digital speedometer, camera informer, dual record ready. That's where I referred to you can add an optional rear facing camera, and we've got night vision as well. So let's take a closer look at the R500 GPS dash cam. I think it's a really nice design. First of all, we've got good quality optics on the front. Inside is a very good sensor, and daytime vision, of course, nice colours, plenty of detail, but I was very impressed with the nighttime vision on this as well. You can still read really small details on the video footage this captures. Micro SD card on the side here. Yes, you do have to supply your own, but they're nice and readily available. The back, a nice large screen. We've also got very good controls on the side for the menu, up, down and power. It's just all round a very good design. What I really do like is this magnetic mount, because it means I don't have to leave my dash camera in my vehicle if I don't want to. I think they've really done a great job on the mount. So the video footage captured is great, the overall package is great, and it really is exceptional value for money. I really do rate this highly. This is the NAVITEL R500 GPS dashcam. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do hit that like button. If you want to purchase any of these for yourself, there are links down in the video description. I want to thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.